In this video, we will cover the importance of predation on social complexity of populations. In terms of social complexity, we are referring to groups such as this school of fish. Please
Hey,
enjoy
you!
this video.
Lady, is this guy bothering you?
I don't remember. Were you?
No. Hey, do you guys know how I can
Look,
get to
pal,
peace?
we're talking to the lady, not you. Hey, you like impressions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just like in rehearsals, gentlemen. So what are we? Take a guess.
I've seen one of those.
I'm a fish with a nose like a sword.
Wait,
It's a swordfish.
Oh, hey, clown boy, let the lady guess.
The reason why these schools of fish are so complex is not because the fact that there are so many of them, or because they are related. It's because of predators like him.
In a study by Frank Goenwood and other researchers, they observed 8 populations of cichlid fish. The fish were observed in Lake Tanganyika in order to determine how social complexity of these fish would change under the presence of predation. Cichlids are important to the study due to the fact that their social organization is not affected by habitat saturation, nor are their groups composed of just relatives. Therefore, the usual reasons for social complexity cannot hold true, and just the effects of predation can be observed. The researchers observed and recorded various factors for different populations, such as number of predators and shelters.
This graph summarizes some of the major results from the study. In this graph, blue is representative of smaller helpers, while green is representative of larger helpers. We can conclude from this a positive relationship between the presence of predators and larger helpers, while an inverse relationship between the presence of predators and smaller helpers. Another major result was that defense rates increased with an increase in the number of smaller helpers. In general, larger helpers were often used in an effort to defend, and smaller helpers were often used to maintain and build up shelters.
Based on the results of this study, several significant factors and key points arose. First, the influence of predation risk affects other ecological factors. Additionally, predation risks pose a serious threat to small group members. Predation affects factors such as group size, behavior, and role of group members through division of labor that in turn drive the evolution of social complexity. A previous concept we learned in class, optimal foraging, can be used to explain one of the hypotheses for the observed result of increased per capita defense rate for populations of smaller helpers. Optimal foraging theory is a model used to explain how an animal acquires food in a way that minimizes costs and maximizes benefits. According to the study Size Selectivity of Predatory Reef Fish on Juvenile Prey by Holmes and McCormick, predators target smaller fish because this achieves the greatest yield in relation to time and also the lowest injury risk for predators. This is a possible reason for the behavior observed in this study.
Another previously seen concept, altruistic behavior, can also be used to explain why increased per capita defense rates occurred in populations of greater numbers of smaller fish. Altruistic behavior is defined as a sacrificing behavior that inherently increases the fitness of the individual by ensuring the survival of another individual's offspring. When there are more young fish in need of protection, this may explain the increase in aggression towards predators. These ideas are expressed in the study Broadcare Helpers and the Cichlid Fish, Lamprogallus picardi, Their Cost and Benefits by Taborski. As seen on the biology website, another reason why cichlid fish defense rates are greater in populations with smaller fish is that predators may focus on populations with many small helpers. This was also a previous class concept. In conclusion, predation can have large effects on the overall structure of a population. Predator-prey relationships do not involve just the struggle between predator and prey. Predator-prey relations can alter an entire ecosystem's composition and organization.